How to archive items in Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to archive an items on Instagram. So what here you need to do is actually open up your Instagram application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface will look. So what next you want to do is you simply want to click on the profile initials once again, and then you want to go ahead and locate the maybe your reels or the photo that you want to archive, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this archive. So click on the three dot icon right next to the profile, and there you have these archive sections. So click on the archive button, and that is the simplest way you could archive items in Instagram. So this is how it's done. And if you're unable to find these options, you could go ahead and update the app to the latest version on your respective app store, and that should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.